what are HTML elements? It basically defines what type of content is in the code and what type of content it has to show to the browser. So it basically starts with a tag. So basically think of it as a head tag, and then you have to close it. In between there has to be some content. It can be even more tags like title inside a head. So it basically starts with opening the tag and then closing the tag. It's that simple. And to close the tag, there's a slash. So on the question mark there's a slash. You have to press that slash. That's called closing it. If you don't close it, it doesn't work. It doesn't mean it's open. It's that simple. So if you start with basic ones, there's HTML tag, and in whatever is inside this will be read as a HTML code, or else it's not a HTML code. And even if you write anything here, it's no use because it's not a HTML code. Maybe it's inside a HTML page, it's not a HTML code. That's the thing with it. And there are two other parts. It's called head and it's called body. So whatever is in head is like the brain of everything. So you put your character set and then you put your title, something like that. So this title is what your browser displays on the heading section. It's on the tab one. So that's what it displays. That is the title. So it's like a brain section. You can even link to a CSS document here itself and all that. That is what stays inside head. And inside body is the content that is there in the rest of the page. Like this is the head section, and the entire section, this section, the pressing of this button, and dragging this thing. All of this comes inside the body part, the body element. So it's that simple. It's too easy. It's not that tough to understand. It's just opening and closing. Come on, man, you can do it. That's how it works. And if you want to learn more of this, make sure you subscribe and watch more of my content. Thank you.